Okay, this is Thomas together with some folks from the AV102 course and Agile Ventures. Welcome everybody. Let's try to do a pair programming exercise. I have a slightly unstable technical environment, unfortunately, so I can't guarantee anything. But if there is a situation where we have to cancel this hangout because of my shortcomings, I will extend the homework for whoever's here and whoever needs to submit a recording of this hangout. So if we can't manage to do this tonight, I will extend it until tomorrow night. But let's give it a try. Okay?
I'm okay. I've submitted, so.
Oh, you've submitted. Okay, Nick, have you submitted your home?
No, I haven't submitted. No.
You have not. Okay.
No.
So if the shit hits the fan, Nick, you and I will hook up tomorrow evening, and you will get an extension if that is okay with you.
Yep, that's fine. I appreciate your time. I know you've been helping out a lot.
All right, because I'm at my office and I have my laptop that has Linux installed, and it seems that I have some issues with screen sharing and stuff, but we'll give it a shot. So okay, I've just moved over to screen share, and let me just go to GitHub. First of all, we're gonna do a small exercise on doing some GitHub ping-ponging, swapping code, and writing some small tests. And also, if we have enough power, we will try to do some collaborative programming using Nitro's I/O.
Okay.
Yes. So I assume Nick. I'm going to focus on Nick right now, if that's okay,
Sure.
Gail and Renee.
No, I think that's fine. I think that.
Yes.
That makes
And you guys can try to follow with the steps if you're interested, unless if you're not, just listen in and let's see what we can come up with. First of all, Nick, I would like you to go over to GitHub. No, well, I assume that you have a GitHub account set up.
Yes.
Yes. Well, I would like you to go to GitHub and, or rather, I would like you to click on the link that I'm pasting into the group chat right now. It's a link to a repository on my GitHub. Hello, Jonathan. How are you doing?
Hello. Good. How are you?
Just fine. You just came at the right moment if you want to do some pair programming, and also if you want to submit this video as your homework.
Yeah, that would be good.
All right.
Good
I was just telling Nick that if we run into some technical issues, I will extend both his and yours time to do this homework until tomorrow night, because I'm on a very unstable link right now and on an unstable machine. So if there's any issues, we're just gonna have to cut this short, and I'll extend the time for you guys. Okay?
Perfect. Thanks.
Hopefully we will manage. Anyways, I just pasted a link to a GitHub repository, a small one. If you follow that link, Jonathan, and I want you to fork that repo to your own GitHub account.
Yeah. Okay. I just did that.
Yep, I've done that.
All right, fantastic. Let's. What I want you to do is just paste the URL to your fork in the group chat.
Okay.
Okay.
Does that look right?
That looks right for me, Jonathan. Great. And Nick?
And okay.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my terminal window, hopefully. Here I am. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a git clone to my local machine of that repository, my own instance of that, right? So what I want you to do is, of course, clone your own, pull down your own code to your machine. So you just do git clone and the URL to your own repo, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I think I had issues cloning through GitHub before. So I actually downloaded the GUI version that allows me to clone.
Okay. All
so
right. Whatever makes you tick, brother. No problems. I say that the GUI tools are more complicated. I mean,
Yeah.
but whatever. If you feel that this is a good way to do it, go ahead and do it. The most important thing is that you have it on your own machine, basically.
Okay.
Let me know when you guys are done.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm actually not sure how to do it through the GUI.
Okay, but if you open your if you share your screen
Okay.
and open your terminal window.
Yeah, I tried to troubleshoot the terminal cloning. I didn't, and then I got frustrated, so then I just downloaded the
Sure.
GUI.
Just let's do screen
Okay.
share and open your terminal, and we can troubleshoot this together.
Okay. I'm just trying
And
to
while you're
figure
doing
out
that,
how to
Nick,
screen share.
Nick,
I'm.
Are
How
you
do you
okay?
screen share again?
There is this. If you go on the side of the Hangout window, there is this green button.
Oh, the
Yeah.
green one. Okay.
Yes. All right. So Nick, you were interrupted.
Yep,
there.
I think I've managed to clone it.
Wonderful. So you can do your screen, share your screen as well. Actually.
Okay.
Now, I assume that you guys have at least some Git knowledge. So I would like you, Nick,
Yes.
if you can, I would like you to add me as a remote. Do you know how to do that?
Yes. Let's get into the directory.
Yes, you have to CD into this. I'm just gonna
So git add.
Git remote add
I'll git remote add. Okay.
Thomas, and then the URL that is in the group chat.
Add.
Okay.
So I'm going to focus on Jonathan for a second now, okay? So Jonathan, how's that working out? You are in the terminal window now, right?
So it's git clone, and then the
URL to your own repo.
yeah.
Yes, and press enter on that now, and let me know what it says.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, and Gail is also with us. Wonderful.
I'll just be in the background.
Okay, so Jonathan, instead of using Git as as a protocol, do git clone HTTPS.
Yeah. Like like that.
So HTTPS. Well, hold on now. No. You have to just use the same URL that you pasted in the chat window.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first line I tried was SSL, right?
Yes.
Now this is.
And you don't have your SSL keys set up probably. And we could.
Oh, cool.
We could troubleshoot that, but this is nor the time nor the place to do it right now, if it's okay. Wonderful, fantastic.
I don't know, it's weird. SSL
okay,
worked before.
So everybody does. Yes. So this is the first learning experience for Jonathan. Yay! You get an extra star for it. So CD into this and do bundle install, and that Nick and Gail can do that as well.
Bundle install.
Yeah. And we're gonna hit some issues here probably. I'm gonna do bundle install as well. Or not. Yes, I will. So did you Nick? You added me as a remote, right?
Yes, yes, I think so.
Okay, so while this is running, everybody open a new tab in your terminal window, okay? Because this could potentially take some time. And since we have each other's URLs in the chat window, I would like all of you to add, everybody else as a remote. So the syntax for that is git remote add a name, Gail for Gail, of course, Nick for Nick, Jonathan for Jonathan, Thomas for me, and then the URL to each respectively, owned repository. And the reason I want you to do that is that in pair programming, we use this technique that you've heard of during this course that we called GitHub Pong, and that allows us to swap code between each other. So when you clone this little repository, you are automatically given a remote repo called origin. That's your own repo. That's a standard name from Git, right? But in order to get code from me or from any of your friends, you have to have their repositories added as remotes. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Feel free to ask if you don't understand anything. I assume that you understand everything since you're not saying anything. Okay. So, have you added each other's repos as remote?
Almost.
I'm not hearing any yeses and no.
In the
Can you hear me?
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, one at a time. Let's hear. Added Gail and Ray. Yes, good. And I need to add Nick. Okay. Huh?
My
Oh. Spelling was type. So, are we on the same page, everybody?
I think so.
Yeah.
Let me know when you guys are done. And Jonathan is done. Have you added me, Jonathan?
Say again?
Oh, good.
Oh.
I've added everybody. In the meantime, the bundle install has failed. Is it supposed to?
Okay. So let's swap back to the where we have our bundle running. The install going for you guys. Okay, and what's the failing? What's the error message? Yay.
Ruby version 2.13 is not supported. I can show you. Actually, I can show you. Did the other people succeed in?
Mine's still.
Problem with the Capybara WebKit, and Nick's still running it.
Yeah, I'm.
Okay. Oh, the warning non-responsive script is not me. Oh, that's good.
Why am I muted?
Can people still hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
I can hear you.
Yeah.
I can hear. So let me just try to. Well, my computer is behaving really strange right now, guys. Do you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And can you see my screen still?
I can see. Yes, I think it's your screen.
Okay.
Yes, I can see your screen, Tom.
Oh. So let's see. So Jonathan has a Capybara WebKit problem.
Yeah,
What
I'm
sort
trying
of
to
problem
Google
did
it
you
right
have?
now.
No, I'm gonna give you an answer. We have that fairly well documented, so we should be up and running. Let's see here. I have that in the website one wiki. I'm just gonna have to browse to there. But this is yes and wiki. Okay, damn. Jonathan, where are you located?
I am in around Toronto, Canada.
Oh. I
Are
was
you?
born there. Have a big family in Toronto.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's nice, except it's a little chilly right now.
Okay. And Nick?
I'm in Yokohama, Japan.
Oh, cool. My sister is at a wedding there right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, and where is Nick? Because the reason I'm asking is, apart from you.
Yes.
Cool. I'm thinking, since this is right now, I can be home in an hour and a half.
Right.
Back instead, reconvene in that, within that time frame, something like 90 minutes from now. It's not really working out for me with the screen sharing and everything. Okay, the thing here is, I would like you guys, in the meantime, if that's possible, you could try to get this, to work, to make the bundle install, to finish for you. For God's sake, here. Okay. So some of these issues are documented in the wiki for website one, the project that I'm running on Agile Ventures. There is this Capybara WebKit problem, and there are some other issues there. So if you run into some problems, feel free to Google or Stack Overflow it, whatever. But some of that info is already in that wiki. And that would be fantastic if you guys could, move past this bundle install until we meet again. Okay.
Yeah, so
Thomas,
Yes.
my bundle installs worked, um,
Oh,
but it's actually almost 4 a.m. over here,
Okay.
and I need to get a few hours sleep before I go to work. So I probably can't hang around another hour and a half.
Okay, but actually, it's guys, let's if it's okay with you, this is Nick talking right now, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Jonathan and Gail, if you would like, instead, I can I can extend your homework assignments, and if we could reconvene tomorrow, that would be much better for me because it's getting late here. It's 9 o'clock p.m. And I also would like to get some sleep at least. I'm open to pairing with you later tonight, but if possible, if we could meet up around 1800 UTC tomorrow, that would actually suit me much better.
yeah,
well,
that's perfect. That's all right. Yeah.
Good.
that's
That's fine.
okay
Oh.
for me. I'll try to join you, but as I told you, I don't have a problem with the homework.
No, but it's a nice little exercise, We're gonna
Yeah,
do some GitHub ponging, and we're gonna do some RSpec and cucumber scenarios.
yeah,
So,
no, I think
if you
it
want to
might be
practice that,
useful. I think it might be,
you know.
as they say, a learning experience. Uh,
Yes, yes, yes. And I'm just to make sure that you have some. If you want, you can post this link into your homework assignment. So Sam doesn't wonder what the hell is going on. But otherwise, feel free to not do it, and you can do it tomorrow if you like. I just pasted a link to this particular recording. It will be available within 15 minutes, I think, on YouTube. But let's reach out to each other on Slack tomorrow in the AV102 channel, and I promise I'll be in a better position to do some pair programming with you. I'm very sorry about this. I was hoping that this computer was good enough to do pair programming on, but unfortunately, I was too optimistic.
Don't worry
Uh,
about it. Thank you for all
no,
your
that's cool. Thomas, is there any other? So my bundle install appears to have worked. Is there anything else I need to do to prepare?
I don't think you do. Just if you just run, if you just type in RSpec and tell me what's going on the screen.
Okay.
Well, hold your horses there. Oh boy, you have to do git branch. You have to check out another branch. There's a branch called Nitros.
Oh, okay. So,
If you do git branch, what do you see?
okay, Git. Just see master.
Oh, okay. Then you do git pull origin, git space pull space origin space Nitros, and it spells like it sounds. I was about to say, but it is NITROUS.
Origin space nitrous or origin slash
Yes.
nitrous?
No,
Origin
space.
space nitrous.
Hold on a second. No. I'm a little stressed and tired now. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna do git checkout -t origin / nitros. Exactly. Well, that's what you want. My fault. Too tired, I guess.
Git. Sorry, can you say that one more time? Git checkout.
Origin. No, git checkout -t. That -t, and then origin / nitros.
Okay. Looks. Yeah, I'm on the nitrous branch now.
Okay, and now you should do bundle again, actually.
Okay. And then RSpec?
And then try to do RSpec, yes. Oh, you're not sharing your screen now, but it doesn't matter.
Okay, how do I, let me just...
I was just curious to see that,
Yep.
if you actually got some green stuff.
Can you see my screen now?
Not yet.
Okay.
My bundle works.
Oh, really?
Now I checked out the.
The nitrous.
Yeah, and all my 7 tests passed.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Excellent.
Cool. And Nick, is anything passing for you?
I've got a lot of red
On.
there, so let me see. Okay, now I got an error occurred in an after hook.
In an afterhook?
Yes. Can you see my screen yet or not?
Not yet. No, I cannot actually. It's strange. So click the green button on the side of the Hangout.
I've done that. Do I need to click on
Yes.
my?
Yes, there should be you should be presented with a pop-up asking you what window you want to share. I would suggest that you share the entire desktop.
Okay. Yes. Present to everyone. So what do what am I doing wrong? Screen sharing. So is that better?
Not yet.
No.
I see that lovely dog. There's all
The dog, right?
I see the dog. Yes.
Is that a Shiba Inu?
So what's? Oh. Is that it?
Nope.
No.
Can't see anything.
I just need to press the green arrow, correct?
What? Yeah. Press the green arrow once, and then there should be a pop-up, and then you.
Pop up. Okay, I'll try it again.
But perhaps if you click this a few times, perhaps you should see underneath your Hangout window. Perhaps this pop-up is sitting someplace, where you can see.
Okay. I think it's come up. Okay, so I need entire screen or
entire screen. Yes, that's the best. Yeah. Well, or the terminal window.
Terminal. Okay, I'll give you the terminal. Okay, share. Okay, so I ran RSpec. Can you see it?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
It works.
An error occurred in an after hook. I cannot find Phantom.js.
Oh, so you don't have Phantom.js installed. Okay, so that's an error. So you have to install Phantom.js, and this is something I cannot help you with right now, unfortunately.
Okay, so,
but
I'll look into.
What sort of machine are you on? Are you on
I'm on a Mac.
You're on a Mac. So that shouldn't be a problem actually. Let's see here. Just Google Phantom.js.
Okay.
That's a headless. It's a JS framework, and it's needed for the Poltergeist headless browser, in order for that one to be able to run. So just Google Phantom.js, okay. And that should try to install that. Okay. And so what you want to see, you want to see the green RSpecs and you want to see green cucumbers. So to run RSpec, you just type RSpec. To run Cucumber, you just type Cucumber. Mm-hmm. And then if you want to play around with this little repo, we're only doing one thing here. There is, in the public directory, there is a file called index.html. Mm-hmm. And there are in features directory, there is a file called webapp.feature, and in the spec directory, there is a file called index.html spec.rb. And So we are basically 3 files. The rest is just cosmetics. Some web steps. We're going to work with the web steps, but and there are some configuration files for our spec. And so what we want to do is we want to write a test in either RSpec or Cucumber. I have both of them just to showcase, the difference between these two testing frameworks. They are for 2 different things. Hello, Vibe have you just reached us at the very end of this little hangout, unfortunately. But anyways, what we want to do, we want to write a test for a code that we don't have yet. We want to watch it fail, and then we want to modify the index.html file with some content or some form action or whatever we want to do, and see the test pass. But in the meantime, what we want to do, the idea behind this exercise is if Nick writes a test and the test goes red because it's failing, then we pongs it over to Jonathan or to Gail, who then makes the test pass, writes another test that is breaking, pongs it over to yet another friend in this team, and we go back and forward like this, So writing a test that fails, making the doing the least amount of coding to actually make the test pass, then perhaps do some refactoring, and then after that write a new test. Okay.
Okay.
So the only thing we want to practice here is basically the git pong technique. We want to practice some BDD and TDD development, and we just want to basically collaborate on this. And my idea is also that once we've done this for like 20-25 minutes, we can go over to nitros.io, which is an online IDE, and we can work on code collaboratively at the same time, in a live session on the same repository, actually. All right.
All right.
All right. So, Vibe, tomorrow, if you want to coordinate with Nick and Gail and Jonathan on Slack. I'll be heading home right now to my family, have some late dinner, go to sleep, go to my work, and I see you all tomorrow. Okay?
Okay. Have a good night.
Sure.
Thank you.
Again, sorry for not being able to accommodate you today, but tomorrow.
Well,
Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
All right.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, see you tomorrow night.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.